Sec Mike, kasi, this was being blamed dun sa Instagram page ng Miss Universo SB, which is the El Salvadoran fan page na based in El Salvador.
Okay.
Initially kasi, when the top 5 finalists were announced, ang unang lumabas na post nila included Michelle as one of the 5.
Okay.
Sa bilis ba naman ng mga Pilipinong mag-screenshot ng mga gano'n?
Galing,
libo-libo agad ang
Oo.
screenshot.
Oo.
So, dinidate naman agad. Naghumingi na ng dispensa yung page na nagkaroon sila ng error in doing that. And ayoko na namang i-pursue kung talagang meron bang something fishy behind that. Pero, it's not unusual na magkaroon ka ng error na, kasi pag gusto mong mag-update ng real time, sometimes inunahan ka ng excitement, gawa ka ng mga graphic arts or yung mga ipopost mo, tapos may mali pala doon, tapos hindi mo na correct agad, na-post mo na. Kahit sabihin mo 1 minute lang yun na naka-post, ang dami ng screenshot noon kasi marami nakaabang. So, dinelete naman nila agad yung post and well, because of that, yung mga Pilipinos, they surmised that meron yatang cooking show na nangyayari dito, no? Pero kami naman kasi from my end, I did not pursue yung argument na nagkaroon ng lutuan because being a blogger myself who does microblogging and updating of social media, alam ko nangyayari na pwede ka talaga magkaroon ng error in what you post. Tapos babalikan mo agad after a minute or two na, oops, delete, palitan mo tama, ganoon. So, it happens. Siguro kaya lang medyo nag-apoy yung usapin tungkol doon, it's because this Instagram page is based in El Salvador.